Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Moto G45 5G off and removing any protective case. This prevents movement when you eject the tray. Next, find the SIM tray along the left edge and insert the eject pin straight into the small hole. A paperclip works if needed. Gently press until the tray pops out. Once released, place the tray on a flat surface so the tiny pins line up. Make sure both Nano SIM cards are unlocked and accessible before proceeding to seating them in the tray. With the tray out, orient each Nano SIM so the gold contacts face down toward the phone and the cut corner aligns with the molded slot. This prevents poor contact. Insert SIM1 into the primary slot and SIM2 into the secondary slot, making sure both sit flush and are not angled. Once both cards are seated, check the tray edges to confirm their level and no card edges protrude. If everything looks correct, gently slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place to re-establish the seal. Power the phone back on and wait for it to finish booting. The system will detect both SIM cards automatically. Open Settings, then Network and Internet, and tap SIMs to assign which card handles calls, SMS, and mobile data. Choose Default so apps use the right line. If one SIM is missing, power down and remove the tray to reseat the cards, then retry. If detection still fails, restart the phone again. Only then consider testing each SIM separately or cleaning contacts gently with a soft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.